Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will teach you how to use Google Fit. You may know that Google Fit is a fitness app available for mobile phones, but do you know how to use it? This app supports tracking over 10 types of health-related options, but let's cover the main interface first. On the top, we have the most important data, points and steps. You know about the steps displayed in the blue color, but what are those points? Well, points measure your exercise active time. Most likely you get 1 point per minute, but it depends on the exercise itself. You also see the burned calories, distance and active minutes for the day. Below that, you have your daily goals and weekly overview of points. This target comes from World Health Organization. For this to achieve, you will need to do an exercise for at least 22 minutes a day or 30 minutes 5 days a week. Now, tapping on each section leads you to the details where you can learn more about the activity. Below that, we have the last workout data, heart points and steps by day. Tapping on each opens the whole data, and you can tap on a specific day to further see the hourly data. The day, week and month options are on the top as well. You might not have all those options on the main interface because you haven't added any data. As you add data in the third section, you will start to see those there. Google Fit supports auto tracking for over 80 exercises. You can tap on this plus sign to track your activity. The option comes with blood pressure, weight, activity, and workout options. All the options except workout allow you to add the data manually. When you add an activity, you get the title, activity type, start time, duration, and other options. You don't have to fill them all, but it's good to guess if you don't know. Let's talk about the workout option now. When you start an activity, you get this type of option to choose the sport or activity. When you start a workout, you see some data including the duration, heart points, calories, and steps. The pause and stop buttons are right on the bottom. When you finish, Google Fit automatically adds a title and shows the whole data. Now let's go to the Journal tab. This is where you keep track of your activities sorted by time. From walks to sports, you find all the workouts here. Touching on each shows more information and options to edit, share, and delete. The third option is new, and here you see the categorized options. Tapping on this first option goes to the activity interface, where you can see all the activities. The second option shows you height, weight, and body fat data. It's good to keep track if you want to focus on reducing or maintaining your body fat. Anyway, in the vital section, you can add many types of data. Those include heart rate, blood pressure, blood glucose, etc. You also have the app options that goes to Google Play and shows all the apps that can work with Google Fit. Like Vitals, you can add your nutrition information right in this option. Let's talk about the sleep data. You can track your previous sleep here. And as you start adding the data, you see your sleep data on the main interface. You can add the sleep data in the first option or schedule your daily hours in the second option. This last option is for women to track their data. Anyway, the last section is the profile section. Adjusting the daily steps and points goal is here, while you can also schedule your sleep. The following section is your personal information. This helps Google Fit to track your data accurately. Before ending this video, let's talk about its step counter. You might have walked 160 steps, but the app will count about 145. So there might be some differences in the actual number of steps and what the app shows. Anyway, this is it for today. I hope it helped you learn Google Fit. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.